It's time once again for The Law on You, featuring the area's premier attorneys. Today we have attorney Ed Ciarimboli with us and Corey Suda. Great to have you guys.
We're ready. Let's do this.
All right, let's see what a viewer sent us today.
Go.
This one's coming from Jean in Hanover. Jean says, I work in a local factory. The fumes from the machines have been making us sick and they won't provide breathing equipment. Can this be a worker compensation case? Wow.
It's very interesting. So it can be a workers' compensation case. You know, the problem is, you know, it says it's making you sick. You would really need a lot more documentation of the injury. So in workers' compensation, it's a no-fault system. And, you know, you have noxious fume cases, you have hearing loss cases. We're involved in a number of hearing loss cases. But, you know, the problem is documenting the injury. So you have to have an injury in order to have a workers' compensation claim. There may be some other claims, you know, some OSHA violations as a result of them not, you know, providing the breathing, you know, equipment. But I'll let Corey tell you, you know, what you're going to need to do to move forward with a workers' comp, you know, case from a documentation standpoint to, you know, make sure you can do this.
Absolutely. First and foremost, you have to go see a physician. I understand that you're sick as a result of these fumes, but you have to go see a physician to see if there's going to be any lasting side effects to you being associated with these fumes. So getting to a doctor is critical. Going to see an attorney is also critical because you have a certain time frame where you could bring this workers' comp case.
And the notice. You got to put the employer on notice immediately. If you don't put the employer on notice immediately, you're not going to be able to pursue this. You're going to be out of the box. And you can't just say you're sick. You got to actually have some paper and some documentation to prove it.
You have to tell them.
All right, definitely something to take care of sooner rather than later. Guys, thanks so much for being here today. If you have any problems, you can give them a call or find them online. And don't forget, results matter with attorneys Corey Suda and Ed Ciarimboli.